Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Karen and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel. Today I am so excited to be partnering with FabFitFun to share what's inside my FabFitFun fall box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. Get a customizable box 4 times a year with 6 full-size products that you get to choose, which is amazing. So think all the fashion, beauty, lifestyle, home products to choose from that you get to hand select. And they're also all from top brands like Rare Beauty, Ilia Beauty, Electric Pix Jewelry. These boxes also make great gifts. So you could gift a subscription box to someone, or you could also break up some of the items inside and give them as gifts as well, which is so nice. You could also do the annual membership. You'll save an additional $60 per year by going annual. The average annual member saves $1,700 per year, which is incredible. I have a very special code to share with all of you. I will have it listed here. If you use my code, you get a free gift valued at over $200. But if you want to sign up just as a seasonal member, I also have a 20% off code for your first box, which will be listed here as well in the description box. Each season's box has a value up to $350. And when you do use my code for that first box, it's only $63.99. So it's an incredible savings. So let's dive into the box. I'm going to share the first product, which is from Ilia Beauty. This is valued at $38. This is the Sun Shift Cream Bronzer, and I love the Ilia brand because they make some really nice, clean, lower toxin beauty products. So this is in the shade Eclipse, and this is a creamy bronzer. I do love a creamy bronzer to layer, sometimes even with powder, and it just gives off the most natural finish. And this looks like the perfect shade where it's not too orangey, and the packaging is so pretty as well. But this looks like the perfect everyday bronzer, and I love the cream formula because it is so great for easily blending in with my foundation. Next is Electric Pix. I have shared Electric Pix quite a bit here on my channel. I am a huge fan of their brand. They make really nice classic jewelry options, and this is valued at $68, which is more than the price of just one seasonal box with my code. So the value of this will already more than pay for the entire box itself, which is incredible. But I love this necklace in particular. This is the Camila necklace, and it's so pretty and dainty. It's giving like designer-esque vibes. And this is in gold, but they also do have an option for the silver. It's such a nice classy piece. It's so dainty, so pretty. These are all pieces that I could use and love on the daily. This on its own even could be a gift, and it's so substantial and so beautiful. Next is Thrive Cosmetics. I've actually tried a few products from them in the past, so I was excited to see this brand in the selection. This is called the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. It says shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. It instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes, which I could always use because I have dark circles under my eyes, so I love brightening up that area. This is valued at $26. Like right on their website, you could get it for $26, but you could get it in the box at such a great value. And this looks so pretty. I already took a peek at it, but it is so gorgeous, and it has like this really nice soft brightening, but it's not like sparkly where it looks cheesy. It looks really soft and diffuse, and you could pop it right in your inner waterline. Not only can you apply this to the waterline, which is what I usually use these for, but you could also, it says, apply it to the brow bone, your eyelids, the corners of your eyes, just to add that little extra pop. But like I said, it's not so bright that it's gonna like make it look fake or cheesy. Like it really is a soft look. The other beauty product I've been really wanting to try from this brand is Merit Beauty. I have never tried anything from this brand. It's a great way for me to be able to try out some new products as well. I have this in 2 shades. I selected the Pink Beat, and this is gonna be right up my alley because I love this shade. And I have heard so many great things. I have a lot of influencer friends who have shared this product, and this pink is like the perfect rosy pink. I love switching up my lip colors for, especially at the new start of a new season, so for coming around for fall, I think this will be really beautiful, and it's valued at $24. Up next is the Sknbody. I think it's just like Sknbody. I've never tried this brand, but I have seen things on social media like this type of product, which I was so intrigued to get. So this is a kit. It comes with 4 dermaplane razors as well as the skin identifier. So this is essentially a spray. You spray it on your face and it makes all of your peach fuzz on your face show up so you could easily dermaplane, because sometimes it is hard to catch the right light to get all the peach fuzz off your face and make sure you get it all. What's great about dermaplaning, the benefits are that you remove any dead skin. Of course, you remove the hair, but it also helps all of my products and makeup apply so much better. Even my skincare products just go deeper into my skin because you're removing that top layer of skin, any dead skin that's gonna like block the effectiveness of your skin products. And it also makes your makeup go on so smooth, like airbrush. And this spray will just help identify the peach fuzz, and then it comes with, like I said, the 4 dermaplane. There's even Rare Beauty in the selection. Rare Beauty is just such a well-known, highly rated beauty brand. I am a big lover of Rare Beauty products, so I'm really excited to try out their lotion. Don't think I've tried out any of their body care, and I really am excited to try the Fine Comfort. This is the hydrating body lotion. It's a $28 value, and I love the packaging on this too. It's so pretty. But again, I've heard so many great reviews on this. It says it's a lightweight, nutrient-infused body lotion that quickly absorbs to hydrate, nourish, and soften with a fresh, non-greasy feel, all while visibly revitalizing skin with a healthy glow. And last but certainly not least, actually I think I saved the best for last. It is the Scalloped Edge Mango Wood Board, and this is valued at $100. It says that this product is handmade by artisans in India who blend traditional techniques and quality materials with contemporary design, and that there could be slight variations, but I love this. I've been looking for a scallop board like this in my kitchen. I love adding that natural like wooden look and element to add some dimension. And this scalloped edge, as you guys know, anything with the scalloped edge, especially in home decor, is like literally for me immediate add to cart. So this for $100 is amazing, and like to me, like the best value. This, like I said, more than we'll pay for 1 box. So I'm really excited about this. And this is 10 by 16, so it's a nice size for entertaining or also just decor. I can make this as like a little tray. I have to still decide how I want to use it, but I think this will be beautiful styled either in my kitchen or even like on a little table. So that is everything that I selected for my FabFitFun fall box. Let me know if you're a FabFitFun member and what you selected for fall. But if you are not yet, definitely use my code. I will have it all listed below for all of you to save on your first either seasonal membership or annual membership. Such a great saving. So I just wanted to pass that along to all of you. And I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.